Hey everybody, I have super exciting news since our some more has been fixed. Some of you may have been following along with the notes we've had all semester from some more, but things have been fixed. And I wanted to show you a real quick way of sending and scheduling your webmail for testing to make sure your kids get the information they need. So Jen sent us the link for the testing communications folder. All you would do is find the one that says EOC testing is almost here, toggle over it and click options, and you're going to click duplicate. I've already done that, so I'm not going to duplicate it again, but I have gone in. So this is what we got when you click duplicate, and you are going to change your testing information to make it specific to your site. So I've changed things. I've made sure my hotel is linked. I've got the EOC schedule there. I've changed the dates for when my students will be coming to test, and then everything else can pretty much be left alone. Once you're finished with everything, you just click on it and you're going to change everything, and then you're done. You are going to click save. So I'm going to edit my newsletter. You'll click edit. Then you'll go in and you'll just click where you want to change things. Once you are finished with all of your changes, you'll click done. And then you're going to click publish your newsletter. Make sure things say they're done. And then you're going to click publish newsletter. When you click publish your newsletter, you are going to need to make the newsletter public so everybody can see it. So you're going to go up here to the top right and click on that little white and gray cogwheel, and you're going to toggle over to public. It'll start out with private, toggle over to public, and then you'll click save and close that out. Now it's time for the exciting things to happen. You're going to click on share en masse notification system, this orange bar here, and you're going to copy your HTML code. When you copy your HTML code, you're going to go over to your tab for Connexus and go to your students that you want to send the webmail to. So in this case, this would be, I'm going to send it to my algebra group for my 1 p.m. So I'm going to send a webmail message. I'm going to send it to my students and the caregivers. I'm going to name it algebra. I can't spell, I apologize. Algebra 1 ESC, Charleston, May 17th, 1 p.m. Fix all of my mistakes. If you type like I do, fix your mistakes. Then you're going to click show advanced options. You'll click on schedule message. You're going to schedule the date. You can go out to May 3rd, which is 1 week out, and then choose the time that you want to send it. I am choosing 8 o'clock in the morning, and then of course choose recipient. When you get down to the body of the message, you're going to get rid of everything you have there. Get rid of your signature, get rid of everything. Click on source. Then you're going to paste your HTML code in there. Then you're going to click on source one more time. And now the magic of Smore and Connexus cooperating has put your webmail from your newsletter in there into the body. And all of those links are clickable. They do work. So you would be able to click on the links for your students would click on the link. You're going to click I acknowledge, because that's the one we have to send for a group. Then you're going to click schedule message. And then your message is will be scheduled to send at 8 o'clock on the date you chose. For me, it would be May 3rd of 2023, which is next week. It looks like you can only go a week out. So if you want to wait and make sure it's going to send on the 5th as opposed to the 3rd, you may want to wait and schedule it on Friday. So that'll let you do it. Now, one thing that I did do, because I don't fully trust things, I need to make sure I can go back and double check. I did put a note on my calendar for next week for me just to go check a student to make sure it actually went. And that way, if it didn't go, I'll know I need to send it. I'll follow the same procedure. I just won't schedule the message to go out. I'll send it like we normally would for that date. But I wanted to let you know that about the sending the HTML code. I prefer using the HTML code and sending my newsletter in the body of the webmail, because over the course of the school year, when I was sending out just links, I would get very few students clicking on that link to go to the newsletter. If I send it out in the HTML code, my number of views grew exponentially. So I definitely encourage you to use that HTML code procedure that I just showed you so that you can make sure that your students see the information you're trying to share with them versus counting on them to click another link and go somewhere else. Hope this helps.